Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Apex Legends. To sign up for an Apex Legend account, first make sure that you've downloaded the Apex Legend mobile application if you're doing it on your mobile device, and then after you start up with the game, you'll be able to see this page. Now, from the main homepage of Apex Legend, tap on the More button right above the Login with Facebook option. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see three options. You can go ahead and sign up for a new account using your Twitter account, your Electronic Arts account, or using the guest option. In my case, I'm going to choose the EA account option in the middle. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to the main login screen of EA account. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in using your phone or email followed by your password. If you don't, tap on the create button at the bottom of the screen. Make sure that you create your account and log into your EA account by entering your phone number or email followed by your password on the next field. Soon after you do that, tap on the sign in button in order to log into your Electronic Arts account. Agree to the terms and conditions of the platform and then you'll be able to see that. Now you can choose the type you like. If you are a beginner with no experience, choose the first option. Similarly, you have other options as well according to your preference, and tap on confirm. Select a HUD setup between classic to Apex style and then tap on confirm again after making your selection. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that you've been taken to this tutorial. Go ahead and follow the prompts in order to learn how you can start up with the game, and you'll be able to sign up and create a new account for Apex Legends. How to sign into your Apex Legends account. To log into your Apex Legends account, first open up Apex Legends mobile application on your mobile device and launch it on. Now you'll end up in this page from where you can easily choose one of the sign-in methods. You can tap on the EA account option if you've signed up for Apex Legend with your EA account. Similarly, you can also sign in using your Apple account by choosing sign in with Apple. If you tap on the More option at the top, you'll be able to log in with your Facebook, your Twitter account, or as a guest. Let me tap on the EA account option for today's video, since I use the EA option to sign up for my Apex Legend. Now in the sign in area appearing on the next page, you'll need to type in your phone or email followed by your password associated with EA account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create a new one. For an existing account, go ahead and type in your phone or email in the first text box associated with your EA account, and on the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on the Forgot Your Password option at the bottom. After filling in both of your details, tap sign in and you'll be able to log into your Apex Legend account. That is how you can easily log in and access your Apex Legend account using your mobile device. How to change Apex Legends language. To change your Apex Legends language, first, from the main homepage, tap on the glove icon appearing on the right-hand side corner. Now from the language option, select the language of your preference and tap OK. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that the language of your Apex Legend game has been changed. You can go ahead and change back to your preferred language by repeating the same process again. That is how you can easily change Apex Legends language using the Apex Legend mobile application. How to change Apex Legend name. If you're trying to change your name on Apex Legend, then it's simple. First, make sure that you are logged into your account. Go ahead and type in your correct credentials along with your password and make sure that you are done. Make sure that you type in your credentials correct and sign into your Apex Legend account first. After you are done signing into your account, tap on your profile avatar located at the top left-hand corner. Soon after you do that, tap on the pencil icon at the top right and tap on change name. Now, enter the new name you'd like to change to in the text box. After you are done, tap accept. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your name for Apex Legend game. Now you'll be able to see your name change at the top left, right where your profile avatar is available. How to change your profile picture for Apex Legend. To change your profile picture on Apex Legend, go and tap on the profile avatar at the top left-hand corner. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this profile page. Tap on your profile avatar again right in front of your name and tap on change avatar. Now select from the avatar list and choose the avatar you'd like to change to and give it a tap. Now tap on use after you are done selecting, and you can also choose your avatar frame. Since I only have one at the moment, let's just leave it as it is and get to the main homepage. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that your profile picture for Apex Legends has been changed and it is available at the upper left. How to log out of your Apex Legends game. If you're inside the Apex Legend account and you'd like to log out of your account, then the process is quite easy. From the main homepage of Apex Legend, which looks like this, tap on the settings button at the bottom. Now at the top of the screen, you'll be able to see a log out button. Give it a tap and tap on OK in the pop-up to log out of your current account. But remember that you must know your credential in order to get access back to your account. After tapping on OK, you'll be logged out right away from Apex Legend and you'll be able to see the main sign-in page for Apex Legend. If you ever want to log in back again, you can choose one of the account login options and get access back to your account again. That is how you can easily log out of Apex Legend using your mobile device. How to delete your Apex Legend account. In order to delete your Apex Legend account, first open up Apex Legend mobile application using your mobile device. Also make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you're logged in, from the main homepage, which looks like this, tap on the settings button at the bottom left. Now find the privacy and social option at the bottom right and give it a tap. From the privacy and social tab, scroll all the way down and tap on delete account button at the very bottom. Now confirm that you would like to delete this account by tapping on the confirm button. Remember that once you proceed with this step, your account will be held for 15 days starting from the day you submit your request for deletion, and after 15 days your account deletion will be processed. If you log in during the 15 days time period, then your account deletion request will be withdrawn. All the data and entitlements associated with your account will be deleted as well, including virtual currency, virtual goods, and other game items. After you go through the information, tap on this I have read and understand the consequences button and tap next. Enter your name in the first text box in order to confirm and tap on the confirm button. Now your account deletion request has been made. It'll take 15 days to be deleted completely. If you ever try to log in within the 15 days period, then your account deletion will be terminated. Now you can tap on the log out button and get to the main homepage of Apex Legend. Now that is how you can easily delete your Apex Legend mobile game. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.